Venture Forth gifted us this Rooftop Cargo Carrier to test out, and we're excited to show you its features. They have the reinforced adjustable straps for tightening. There are waterproof SBS zippers. It's built to handle the elements. This has an aerodynamic design that works with or without roof racks. So I currently have in here 2 small carry-on suitcases and 2 duffel bags. And as you can tell, there is still plenty of room for me to pack a lot more items if needed. If you're looking for an extra storage and protection for your next adventure, this one's got you covered.